May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and one of the main concerns this year is the lack of funding for mental health programs.
Fox 43's Tyler Hatfield joins us now live in Lancaster County to explain how experts say less money could impact the mental health system. Tyler.
Yeah, that's a solution that state lawmakers and mental health advocates are trying to solve. And right now we're at a breakfast here at Eden Resorts and Suites where mental health advocates, state lawmakers, and voters will be here to discuss the state of mental health here in Pennsylvania. And I'm joined here with Kim McDevitt. She's with the executive director with MHA. And Kim, what's going on here right now? What are people about to do?
Yeah, we're hosting a legislative breakfast where we have representation from every district in Lancaster County. We are bringing constituents, stakeholders, community members together to advocate for mental health funding and mental health services in Lancaster County.
And Fox 43, we have been covering the mental health crisis for weeks now, and we've been talking about funding for mental health. What are you hoping to ask state lawmakers here this morning?
So we're asking them to approve additional funding in block grant funding so that we can provide services that are sustainable, long-term, and are solution-driven.
And talk about the workforce shortage as well. I know that has put a strain here for mental health programs.
It has, and I'll speak to that a little bit today. It's really appalling that people are leaving the profession of mental health because they've lost hope in our system, the support that we receive for mental health services. Folks that are very compassionate and solution-driven are at a standstill because of the lack of funding for mental health services. It's been quite some time. So today, we are really appealing to our lawmakers to approve additional funding, sustainable funding for our county.
Now, I know this breakfast starts in a couple minutes. There's a huge crowd here. It's very busy, a lot of things going on. When you see this huge crowd here, what's running through your mind? What do you hope to accomplish?
When I saw the representation of the lawmakers that are going to be here, it really was heartwarming to me. They're here to listen. And also, we're going to appeal to these stakeholders. People are here because they care. We're going to appeal to them to reach out to our lawmakers. They can make a difference by sharing their stories, by appealing to our lawmakers. I can't do as much as they can do.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Kim.
you.
And we'll be here all morning long covering this legislative breakfast. If you want more information, head to our website, fox43.com. But next Wednesday night, we'll have our own Fox 43 mental health special Wednesday night again. So again, for more information, head over to fox43.com. But for now, live in Lancaster County, I'm Tyler Hatfield, Fox 43 News.
All right, Tyler, thank you. We're going to check back in with you in the next hour. We know that breakfast is about to get started.